Hello and welcome to another Market Watch Live with Gilbert Joe Ekpata. Yeah, we started to this session, later than we always do, but these are due to technical issues. But as always, we always have to start our week with you. It doesn't matter whether it rains, whether the sun shines, it doesn't matter whether I'm sick, it doesn't matter whether network is down, it doesn't matter whether network is up. Regardless, the goal is to always start every new investment trading new week with you. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I'd like you to do me a favor. I'd like you to do me a favor. Copy this link, copy a link to this video right here on YouTube. Help me drop it on our Discord community. Help me drop it on Telegram. Help me drop it on WhatsApp. Help me send it to other members of our community and let them know that we are live. We are live. So you know how to do it. What we'll go through a rundown of the three market events you should watch out for as we dive into the new investment and trading week that will bring the most impact and volatility to the market. And we also do more like we check technical levels to also know what the market is also saying technically. And so you know how we do it. If you're watching us live, go to the comment section and type live. So you know how we do it. If you're watching us live, go to the comment section and type live. If you're watching the replay, go to the comment section and type replay. So regardless, I'm going to begin today's session. Those who could join us later could catch up. Also, diving into the week, there are three market events, as culture and tradition is we have to look out for that will bring the most impact to the market that could take prices or take prices down and also impact the market long term. So top on our list happening today is the TIA Matcha upgrade. So Celestia drops its Matcha upgrade, bringing Nasdaq level on chain finance. So this is a big scalability boost. What I want you to see or understand about this So this tier matcher upgrade is like updating the kind of phone you use. You know, phones you use always do a kind of upgrade. You know, iPhone 16, iPhone 17. You know, that kind of stuff, and they let you know the kind of technology it is built with. So for this Celesta tier upgrade, so it's bringing, you know, Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a marketplace. So what it means is they are bringing this level of technology, they are bringing this level of speed, you know, to on-chain finance. So the kind of technology, the kind of platform we have for traditional finance in Nasdaq is that level of tech and competence that is being brought on chain. So on chain capitalist, this is a big scalability boost, you know, for TIA. Second on our list is happening on Wednesday, which is the initial jobless claim. So, you know, this is a major news for the cryptocurrency market, and we always pay attention because this is a major US labor market report that moves crypto and also stock. So traders always watch out for it because claims means that the economy is weaker, losing jobs. You know, when the claims are low, economy is getting stronger. And then last but not the least, happening that's tomorrow Tuesday. It's Stacknet version 4.1 mainnet. So this upgrade adds faster block time, Blake hash functions, ISM, and all of this. This is all developer code. So what I want you to see this is just like the app on your phone. The app on your phone, you know, certain times goes through upgrade, right? And upgrade always fix bugs and all of that. So this is the kind of upgrade that's happening here in the Stacknet, and Stacknet has been doing a lot of things, you know, behind the scene. If you think that's something you should watch out for, I would say go ahead. So, like I said, I'm gonna see how we're gonna make the most of our time in today's show. So let's do a little bit of some technicals. Let's see what's happening to the price of. We've really come a long way from BTC and expectations we had for BTC. Good lord, let me see. My chat is not responding. So just stick with me. In no time, I'll show you what I think you should see, levels I think you should watch as we dive into, you know, deeper levels of the market. We're really coming from a long way anyway to when we held here the breakdown we expected. But this is what I want you to see. What I want to see is level. So this is typically where we are. I remember the other week we showed that since this place is breaking, we should be testing a lower zone. And at some point, we already anticipated why we should be in this particular lower zones of the market. But typically, this is where we are. And like I used to always try to let you know that uh, levels, whether it's support or resistance, are not typically numbers, they are zones. Notice this from this level is all the zone at which we're holding here. You can see right here. This is the zone to this level. To this level, and then that. So what you see as if there's a bounce here is still a level. Do I still think we will touch this level? Market is trying to have a bounce. We have to see if there is more volume. But question that is in many persons' mind, and we have been able to touch last week. On last week market, is this a market? And there, first of all, the market has either topped or we are near top. The crypto stopped or we are near top. And I gave a lot of signals from different signal levels that have been met to the fact that we don't have any level we could technically defend and say officially the bear market has begun. But I will only turn fully bear. But just like I said, and I've always told you guys why I was selling and why you should be selling. And one of the reasons why I've started doing this was because we started buying early. Beginning to buy BTC this bull cycle at 16, 17K. Quite a journey, isn't it? And at this level, these are levels that we are watching out for. And once we get to this level, we could, with a large level of certainty, say, okay, technically, the bull market is here. But what we are in and what we're verifying is, has the market up, like I said, has the market up. My screen is not responding, like it's because of how fast in most cases around. This may be due to network anyway. But I'm hoping this can be seen. This can be seen clearly. So you notice this is a multi-year support level. This is a multi-year supporting. This multi-year support level is still holding. It's still holding. So until we break this, if we break this without a level of doubt, then technically it is the beginning of a bear. But the same question is, have we topped? Have we topped? The market has already shown us level of micro topping. They have level of micro topping the market already showing us. And factored with the extended bull market, this is all of these signals we've mentioned in the past have been met. It's totally been met. So we are either near top or we have top. So however, if we are near top, regardless whether we are near top or we have top, this is time to start reevaluating your portfolio. This is time to start selling stronger assets into weaker assets into stronger assets. This is time to stay more in stable currencies. You understand? Because of course the market can do a very big bounce from here. Let's say we do a big bounce from here and do something like this. Let me see if network will allow me. I'll do a very quick part for you to see. So the market could do something like this. A very big bounce, move through this point, come here, new all-time high. It's very possible. But regardless, I want you to know that this is always a social engineering factor. Regardless, it's a social engineering factor. It's a social engineering factor. In most cases, the whales are trying to net to cash in the small players, special retail players. Once you come in, they leave because they need to socially engineer their exit. The whales will always engineer their exit. You are not a market circle investor. If you're not a market cycle investor, that you don't really care about the price of an asset, all you care is that you keep buying whether prices are up, whether prices are down, that is fine. But for those of you who do market cycle investing like I do, and we do right here at the Smart Investors Lodge, that at every bear market we are buying, and at every bear market we are buying, and then once we get to the bull market we are selling. That is exactly what you should be doing. You should be playing defensive. You want to sit in USDT to take advantage of short-term market upside or drawdown. Also sit so you could buy when it's a full-blown bear market. But regardless, here at the Smart Investors Lodge, we're still taking trades. You could see trade both the free trading signal room, the profitable trades that we still come out with. So if you are the premium channel, the profitable trade setup we still share. This is not an investor's market. This is a trader's market. This is not an investor's market. This is a trader's market. So you're going to do a lot more good for yourself if you sharpen your trading skill and take advantage of the market. And just like in news, I don't know if I've shared this news before. Share it here first for those of you who attend Market Watch. Is that the Smart Investors Lodge trading board is officially live. The first AI crypto trading board is officially live. It's been forward tested with the 90% accuracy level, and if you want to increase your accuracy level, if you want to create another side income, through crypto, you could manually trade, you could be an investor, but you're not AI taking advantage of market drawdowns or upside to make you short-term cash flow, then you should reach out to us. So we should give you access to the bot. For this is for those of you who are members of the Smart Investors Lodge Premium channel. If you're a member of the Smart Investors Lodge Premium channel, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to assistants. Yeah. People, I think, sorry, network took me out, but just before we call it a day, shout out to Egbe Gio, who is watching live, who was watching live from Anambra. Greetings. We have Mrs. Furley City, who was watching live from the city of Calabar. And we have Miss Peace watching live UK. We have UD watching live from Warri, and Joseph watching live from the city of Abuja. Thanks once again, all of you who always join Market Watch, regardless of network taking us out. You stop by even to this time. And don't forget, we're going to start our onboarding process to start using our trading board this week. So if you're a member of the Smart Investors Lodge channel, or you know somebody who is a member of the Premium channel, tell them to reach out. We're going to give them access to the bot. The bot actually costs, to get license, it's supposed to cost you about $1,500, but we're giving it for free. We're just giving it for free, for all of you at the Premium channel who want to have access to it. It has a 90% accuracy level. This is our way of supporting the community. We're supporting the community. It's a community of traders and investors. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Reach out to us. Meanwhile, thanks everyone who joined today's stream, who stopped by to this time. I want to let you know I love you, I care, and that's why we do what we do.